I bet you think this is easy. 6 divided by 2 times 1 plus 2. Go ahead, solve it in your head. I'll wait. Most of you just got 1. Here's how you did it. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. 9, right? That's what almost everyone says. But you're wrong. Here's what you missed. When you see 6 divided by 2 times 3, you don't do multiplication first just because there's no sign. Division and multiplication have the same priority. You work left to right. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then 3 times 3 equals 9. Wait, that's still 9. Actually, let me show you the real debate. The answer is either 1 or 9, depending on how you interpret that implicit multiplication. If you treat 2 times the parentheses as a single unit, you get 1. If you follow strict left to right, you get 9. Most calculators say 9. Most mathematicians argue about this one for fun. The real lesson? This problem is intentionally ambiguous. But conventionally, following order of operations left to right, the answer is 9. Don't feel bad if this confused you. It confuses math professors too. If this got you thinking, leave a like and subscribe for more brain traps. I've got plenty more where that came from.